how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to learn how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. Let's say you have tried to block someone, or you have blocked someone earlier, or even you might have blocked someone by mistake in Snapchat. And if you want to change your mind, or if you want to unblock that person, you're trying to find settings. So for that, go ahead and press on your profile on the top left. After you're here, go ahead and press the settings on the top right of the screen. After you press settings, go ahead and scroll down. In privacy controls, you can see blocked users. Go ahead and press the block users one. And if you had blocked some users earlier, the users tag will be here, the users ad will be here, and all you have to do is remove them from this list, and that's how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. And that's it for today, guys. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.